Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Halloween is over, but what are we gonna do with all those mini pumpkins that are lying around your house that you were using for decoration? Well, don't throw them out in the compost just yet because you can actually make them into a delicious sauce. So today we're gonna be making pumpkin, miso, and roasted garlic fettuccine. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, we've got our lovely fall ingredients here. I have a ball of pasta dough, but you're more than welcome to use dried pasta, 2 whole heads of garlic. We have shiro miso paste, about 1 pound of white pumpkins, gochujang, and a bit of heavy cream here. I'm gonna start by cutting our pumpkins in half. Don't do what I did and try to cut your finger. We're then going to scoop out all of the seeds and all of the gunk that you find inside of a pumpkin. And you can just easily do that with a spoon, throw that into your compost, and that's what the pumpkin should look like after, nice and clean. We're gonna get about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and just gently brush it inside the cavity of the pumpkins. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, and then kind of do the same thing here. I'm just really drizzling some olive oil on top of the garlic and sprinkling that with a bit of pepper, again with a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to cover that because I don't have any aluminum foil. I'm going to cover that to roast them, life hack, and then turn the pumpkins onto its flesh, poke a couple of holes in them, and then bake them and roast them at 400 degrees. And I did that for about 50 minutes. These ones are smaller, so just use your judgment there, but that should be fine for both the pumpkin and the garlic. Meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our pasta of choice. I'm using fettuccine in some hot boiling, heavily salted water, and I'm gonna reserve about 1.5 to 2 cups of pasta water. We're gonna drain our pasta, and then we're gonna start skipping out the flesh of our cooked pumpkin, not the skins, like I did there. We're gonna squeeze out all of those delicious roasted garlic, just like so. 2 heaping tablespoons of miso paste. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, about 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. We're gonna go ahead and add 1/2 cup of that cream, and then we're gonna gradually add some of that salted pasta water there and start blending it all up just like so. I'm then gonna add 1 teaspoon of gochujang, just for a very, very subtle hint of spice and to also change a bit of color. Look at that. Super yum, super luscious. We're then gonna transfer it over to a pot here, and I'm just gonna gently heat that up on the stove over a medium heat, stirring very gently, and then tossing in our cooked pasta with the sauce just like so. And then if you need to thin it out, we have a little bit of pasta water to do that. And there we have it, finished with some cheese. Enjoy!
If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!